and I'm heading towards my first vlogger meet of the day today. And I hope that you will enjoy it. I will be adding some clippings from the meet so that you guys can enjoy and have fun. What is really a blogger meet? A blogger meet is a meet like which is always backed by a brand. It is always and always sponsored by a brand. Why brands do blogger meets, like what they do get out of it? See, you guys know that every blogger has a set of followers, and they have their own what do you say, image. So whenever they write something, like their followers, their readers, they read about it, and that's how they get to know about brand. So whenever a brand do a new product launch or just for their promotion, they would think from the marketing point of view, they call upon all the bloggers who are doing like somehow well. So they invite them, and they will tell them about the brand, so that when bloggers will come back, they will write about it, they will do videos about it. In a way, I mean, they get a lot of promotion from it, and I think if you see, they spend crores on advertising, on commercial advertisements, and I think this is one of the economical ways of getting like promotions, because these days word of mouth publicity is something that actually takes brands to a next level. So that's why brands always encourage um, always like what do you say, encourage or pamper a lot of bloggers so that they can come write about it and post on their blog sites. And when I'm saying that bloggers are invited, so that doesn't mean that we will always write everything right about it. Like I can tell you about me that it doesn't matter to me like what they pamper me, how they pamper me. If I genuinely like a brand, I will write good about it, and if I don't like the brand, I will not write not really good things about it. So I hope that you get a clear idea like what really is a blogger me, and I will be showing you some more clips like what really happened today, and I don't know. Let's see. It's a surprise. Hi, I'm back. Today I have come to Perry Bear Display Studio for my blogger me, and this is what I got as welcome gift. So, would you like to take a look? This is their only display studio in India, and their mantra is that toilets are not just a functional thing anymore. I think everybody is looking forward to beautify their washrooms. Styling session with Ishika Taneja, who is a Guinness World Record holder, big beauty expert. I'm really looking forward to it because she will be giving us some tips about nail art or other makeup session. I'm so excited. Hi.
Hi.
I have with me Ishika Taneja, who is a renowned makeup artist, and we are here to learn some nail art tips from her. She's really taller than me, so she has
So
to
I'm
bend
just
down.
trying to get into the frame so that I can also see you guys.
Okay.
I hope you're following her blogs. I really love the way she writes and she presents stuff. So do follow her and you will get some makeup tips from me as well. So stay tuned.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
And now I'm heading back to my home, and my day is not over yet because I have to go to another blogger meet in the evening. Can you just believe that? Hi guys, I'm again headed towards another blogger meet, and this is the invitation card I got. This was nicely packed in a ribbon, pink color ribbon, and this is from Water Shadi, and they are launching their app. So as I mentioned that whenever a brand launches a new product or new service, they invite bloggers so that we can come and check and write about it. As I am a app freak, I would love to try this new app and write about it on my blog. um, Blogging meets are just really nice way of networking with fellow bloggers. You get to meet so many bloggers there. You can know about them, talk to them, have a nice conversation, have champagne with them, so that when you come back, I mean, you have lots of memories, and that way like you can make some really nice friends, because एक ब्लॉगर का दर्द एक्चुअली में एक ब्लॉगर ही समझ सकता है. एंड दिस फॉर माई फेलो ब्लॉगर्स दैट इफ यू एवर गेट अ चांस टू go and attend a blogger meet, please don't skip it, just go ahead and have fun. Hi, I'm headed towards Hodgcast Village to attend the blogger meet, and I'm going to Levels. They have organized their blogger meet there, so let's go. Let me quickly show you the venue for What a Shadi. What a Shadi, what a Shadi. It is so beautiful, right guys?
I think anything technical you can ask me, but about the value proposition and the app, I think.
So today it just we have two apps with us, one for users, another one for vendors. So for past couple of weeks we were working on the vendor app. It's like getting them on board with us, getting all the registration done. So today we are actually announcing our user app. So it's gonna be like for all of us. I think you all are unmarried, so I would request everyone to just download the app.
Come close. Hey, I have Sneha and Natasha with me from What a
What
Shadi.
is Shadi, and it's a very cool app that we are launching today, and it's all for the users, all for the bride-to-be young girls like her who soon to be plans to get married. Please download the app.
It's like a one-stop solution to all the problems for the brides and grooms. And just
let us know.
the app.
Download the app, and we'll get to know that you've downloaded, and let us know how you feel it. Thank you.
I've already downloaded their app and it's awesome. You should try this and get your shadi planned with What a Shadi.
Yes, and
What
you
a Shadi.
can cover what is Shadi and Shadi ki tayari shuru kare. Thank you. Bye.
Stay tuned. Bye. Hi, I have
Denise from the Vanity Room and Divya.
and they are gonna share some makeup tips with us.
So number one would be that try using a primer. Like we use a primer for the face. If you use a primer for the eyes, your eye makeup will not freeze. The color payoff will be more, and your eye makeup will stay for a longer time. So that's one. Number two, if you're applying kajal, try setting it with a black eyeshadow. If you're wearing a black kajal, so anything cream which you're wearing on your eyes, try and set it with powder. Number three, of course, it's summers, so it's always better to use a waterproof mascara. And the fourth, I would say use any light colors like silver or pearly gold. Just a pop in the tear duct just to have your
Like
eyes.
we both have in our eyes.
So that your eyes look big and nice.
Yeah, definitely. You both are looking so beautiful. And I love your eye makeup. Thank you so much.
Thank you.